Ulna is the medial bone of forearm and is homologous with fibula of lower limb. It consists of an upper end, lower end and a shaft. This is the lateral view of upper end of left ulna. It consists of two processes and two notches. Olecranon process is the projection of bone that extends proximally. Triceps muscle is attached here. It forms part of trochlear notch. Coronoid process is the ridge of bone that projects anteriorly. This forms apart the trochlear notch. Trochlear notch is formed by the olecranon and coronoid process. It articulates with the trochlea of the humerus. Radial notch is located on the lateral surface of the trochlear notch. This area articulates with the head of the radius. Below the radial notch is the supinator crest that gives origin to the supinator muscle. This is anterior view of upper end of radius and ulna of right side. Here the articulation of head of radius with radial notch of ulna is seen. Distal to the coronoid process is a roughened part. It is the tuberosity of ulna. It is where the brachialis muscle is attached. The distal end of the ulna has a rounded head, with distal projection called the ulnar styloid process. The head articulates with the ulnar notch of the radius to form the distal radioulnar joint. Shaft of ulna has three borders. They are lateral or introitious border, anterior border and posterior border. This is the sharp introitious border present laterally. Introitious membrane is attached here. This is anterior border that extends from ulnar tuberosity to the base of styloid process. This is posterior border extends from apex of the triangular posterior surface of olecranon process to the back of styloid process. Side determination and anatomical position. The bone should be held vertically in such a way that the hook-like end the olecranon process is directed upwards. The concavity the trochlear notch facing anteriorly. The radial notch present inferior to trochlear notch should be directed laterally. Sharp crest-like introitious border directed laterally. Ulna is medially placed to radius and it belongs to right side. Thank you.